Now comes my favorite part, my favorite part of everything. Ah, oh yes, oh yes. Can you see the juice? Wow. I think I'm being wicked, but if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. Yes, look at this sea bream waiting to be oven grade like anyways. Let's start the madness. I'm going to show you the simplest method to do oven grilled fish. Here are the spices. I have 1 tablespoon paprika chili mix, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon pink salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper. My black pepper is mixed with some pawpaw seeds. Try it and you will tell me later. I did this in my video about peppers. 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and here I have my homemade stock cube video online. I have here 10 tablespoon, like this is the spoon, not the biggest, of oil, which I'm just going to mix all this goodness in and give it some time for the spices to make friend. Also one generous tablespoon of my homemade stock cube. I think at this point you can use 2 stock cubes, and you mix. Take your time. The garlic powder needs a little bit of more love than chili or ginger powder or even salt. So set aside. Now it's time for me to clean the meat to my liking. So the fish, sorry. Now slice. Well, make sure to really closely slice for the spices to get everywhere. Four fish. Half. The other side of these fishes, they don't want to be great, but it's not a problem. We are going to work with it. So now take it, you flip it, flip, flip, flip. And the madness can happen on the other side. Same procedure. Now you allow your fish and your spices to make friends, to really integrate and penetrate all the cells of the fish, right? According to the size of your fish, you will go longer or shorter. So at least 15 minutes for this size, 15 to 30 minutes. A bigger fish, you will go up to 2 or 3 hours in the fridge. After 30 minutes, now we're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and the last 5 minutes I will broil it, so 180 Celsius. Grade. Oh Lord, look at this madness. Looks perfect. Now it's time for some decoration. I have no friends at this point. I can't stop myself. This was supposed to go to the table. I'm going to change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Bye.